Greetings, family. This is legendary Ross Corey here today. I'm inviting you to join me on this incredible journey as I take on you the challenge of a mastering herbal medicine through ITAL Herbal Institute online course. Over the next year, I'll dive deep into the world of plant-based healing. And if people that knows me for over 20 years, I have been on the ITAL diet and I switched up the diet to fruit and went off the grid for a minute. And now I'm back to teach ones to help ones in these last time days. These really are the last days of like medicine and eating healthy and living healthy. So as we dive in this plant-based healing, and if you ever wanted to take on the control of your own health through natural remedies, this might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Um, you will get a certificate of herbal medicine making and whatnot. So um, you will have like we will get you in dried herbs, doing tinctures, ciders, and hard candy, medicine candy, and with more people waking up to the power of plants. It's no surprise that herbal medicine is gaining a popularity, but there's also a lot of confusions out there and conflicting information and misinformation on social media and a lack of proper guidance. That's where ITAL Herbal Institute steps in. This course bridges the knowledge gap, is giving the tool and confidence to use herbs safely and effectively. So, from my point of view, in my study of many of us have felt frustrated with the conventional medicine. At the same point, it often overlooks the potential of natural remedies. And even when people try herbal medicine without the right knowledge, they can misuse it. This should not only makes mistakes of healing harder, but it also discourages people from sticking to their path. It's heartbreaking to see many people give up because they didn't have the right support, you know, uh, taking medicine, taking natural medicine and natural remedies as our ancestors have done. So I'm here, and that's why I'm excited about this online course. It offers everything from plant uh, identification to preparation methods like teas, tinctures, valves, and more. You gain practical skills while diving deeper in understanding of herbs and their unique properties. This isn't just a theory, it's a hand-on learning that makes a real difference. It's an online course. What you will learn is that imagine being able to walk into a garden and know exactly what herbs you can use to heal your body. You learn how to identify plants correctly, no more mistaking one herb from another. Plus, you'll master the art of creating remedies tailored to your needs, like calming teas, stress, or immune and boosting tinctures for your wellness. I will give you all this information. I will give you all the paperwork to start your own remedies, and you can do what you want to do with it. So you can you're aware of infusing oils, tea being brewed. You know what I mean? So some of the topics we'll cover is how to ethical source and grow herbs. I was a farmer. I had acres of farm down in Tennessee, Middle Tennessee, Middle Tennessee exact. I grew everything that you could possibly know: corn, sweet potato, pumpkin, peppers, watermelon. etc. Okra. I grew so much turnip greens, kale, cabbage, tomato, beans, onions, etc. So I've been doing this farming for so long, so I started going. I went to the doctor at the before. I haven't been to doctors in like 20 something years, but I went to a doctor before my journey. So this is my little quick story right fast. I went to the doctor. He said I was like vitamin D, um, low vitamin D, because I used to eat before for my journey, before my Rastafari journey. I used to eat meat and whatnot, wings, ribs. I used to eat all that shit. So I went to the doctor. He said I had vitamin D. So I've been doing my study, and I was already on the path to Rasta. But when I started finding out the Rastafari diet, then um Dr. Sebi diet came in. That's just a little alkaline diet. But I was already on Rastafari diet. So that's what I met this Mexican guy. His name was Diablo. He was Ivan, Ivan's brother. This Mexican guy. He was already into weight and changing his diet. So his friend came over and told me about how Diablo changed his diet. So I went to all the food out of my deep freezer, all the meat and whatnot. Just gave it away to my dog. I fed it. I just gave all my groceries and my food to my dog. So when I did that, I transformed my whole diet. I went from 200 pounds to 176, and that's what saved my life. And I knew it saved my life. You know what I mean? Because the way I started feeling up, alive, more light, more spiritual, and just more loving. Because the food you eat, it can cause anger and whatnot. You cooking blood out, so that makes you like anger because whatever the animals went through during that process of getting killed. So you taking on what the animal has done. So what I'm going to do today is in this course, we're making herbal remedies. Like I'm going to have you make salve. You make your own syrup, your tinctures, and understanding the role of, of the nervines. And you start to using herbs to support digestion, sleep, and mental health. So, and it's not just about physical health. We'll dive into a mental, emotional, and spiritual aspect of herbalism too. So, herbs connect us to the earth, helping us find balance in every area of our life. So, the power of the community in this ITAL Herbal Institute, what really set this course apart is the sense of the community. As you progress, you won't just be studying alone, you'll join a network like minded individuals and passionate about natural living. We'll learn together and share our progress and lift each other's up along the way. So I will be there and I will show you on my own and how you can make these own herbs. Like I said, I will give you all the information to be on paper. I will give it to you. You can print it out and whatnot, and you will get a certificate uh, to have a certificate to make herbal remedies, tinctures, syrup, ciders, and etc. Plus, you have the access to guide from from me every step of the way. So no one gets left behind. You'll feel supported, inspired, and empowered to keep going, even when things get challenging. You know what I'm saying? I have a student. Well, at the time, this story of this guy from Murfreesboro name was Marcus. He was a dog trainer that I knew. I used to make sour sap juices, sour sap and sea moss juice, and bring it up to Murfreesboro. He was a heavy set dude. He was trying to get his health right. So this is his story when I used to just give him um, the sour salve and the sea moss and herbal remedies. And he became like a follower of me, and I got him who completed what he needed to do for years. He struggled with like anxiety and depression, and he told me that he tried like different medications, but nothing seemed to work. When he asked me to help him with his herbals, he discovered the calming benefits of passion flower, John's wort, and slowly but surely he incorporated these herbs into his own routine. So then he started journaling and preparing his own herbal teas. And with a few months, the symptoms began to ease, and for the first time in years, he felt like himself again. Not only did Marcus find healing, but he also started his own herbal business and helping others find natural solutions for their well-being. This is the kind of transformation that's possible when you take control of your health with herbal medicine. But first, you have to. I get told this a lot. My wife tells me, first you have to heal yourself before you can heal anyone else. So if you're gonna live by this, you have to and preach this. You have to understand that you teach what you preach. You know what I mean, and you live by what you preach. So that's when you take control of your own health with herbal medicine. So the empowerment through herbal knowledge is going to be the key. So this journey is about so much more than just earning a certificate. I'm telling you. Herbalists. We have a lot of trouble getting medicine and using natural medicines out there because I ain't trying to get this video took down because I'm trying to gain y'all with this confidence. You know what I mean? So it's not just about getting a certificate; it's about empowerment and gaining confidence to take uh, care of yourself and your loved ones naturally. You learn to rely on the healing gift of the earth, develop a deeper appreciation for plants, and take back control of your own health. You know, you can't help save everybody. You can only save yourself and your family. So the iTower Herbal Institute gives you everything you need to succeed, but it's up to you to put in the work. If you're committed, this course will change your life. You will walk away with not just a certificate, but also knowledge that will stay with you for a lifetime. This is really my final thought and call to action is to help people, family. I invite you to join me on this journey. If you ever felt drawn to herbal medicine, now is the time. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. This course will give you the skills you need to support and to see it through. You know what I mean? So enrollment for the next session starts soon in 2025. So be sure to secure a spot. If you already take control of your health, connect with nature, and learn the secrets of herbal healing, this is your chance. So we'll be posting it on social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So what you gotta do, here's the enrollment details displayed. Thank you for watching and supporting this journey. If you have any questions, just drop them in a comment below. And don't forget to like and just subscribe for more content and natural living and herbal wisdom. I can't wait to see you inside the course. Let's harness the healing power of plants together. Shalom.